What's up, YouTube? I want to show you guys how to use Google advertising. And this is search advertising that I'm going to show you guys, which means you can pick out the keywords in all of that. And when people type it in, then your advertisement will come up. I don't want to spend too much time on this because it's really easy, but I do want to show you guys some insights and show you guys, what to do and what not to do and how to fix it if there's something wrong, and how to tell if something's broken. So first you want to go to adwords.google.com. This is an incognito tab so that it shows me the the Start Now button and all that. Go ahead and pop in your email or phone number here. I'm going to off screen that for a second. Let me see if I can do. Alright, I can't find my Google account. Okay, so I'm not going to be able to go through the setup, but basically when you press sign up, it's going to walk you through making your first campaign here. Let me move my head. So, oh yeah. Here we go. Okay. Oh yeah. All right. Here we go. Now my head's moved. So you're going to have your campaigns here. You can have unlimited campaigns, or at least I think you can have unlimited campaigns, because I've never gotten to the threshold where there was too many. You want to start with one campaign, and the one that you make on the tutorial, you might want to pause it and make your own right here. So I'm going to show you how to start your own new campaign with this. What do we want? We're going to do a website traffic here, because that's what most of you guys are going to be, starting off with. And we're going to do a search campaign. If you do display campaigns, then those are the ads that you see in the middle, of websites that look like little banner ads. The shopping ones, unless you're selling a product, like a rug or something like that, then you want to use that. Or if you're promoting one of your videos, and use the video ads. The video ads are really strong, and I suggest that you use those. But we're going to do the search because that's most likely what you guys are going to be doing. And we're going to go with the cat grooming. I think that, okay. Maybe I can I swing that? All right, catgrooming.com. We got it. So this is going to be about cat grooming. Do I want it on the search? Yeah, I want it on the search network, so I want it to show up with the keywords, but I don't want it on display because I honestly don't. Some people don't click on that stuff. I know I don't. And since we're doing cat grooming, we're going to go ahead and say that we're in Gainesville. We're going to only target Gainesville here. Because we don't want to get anybody who's way too far away. We don't want to be advertising cat grooming to people who are like in a different state. So we got our area. This is super. Don't underplay this. This is super powerful. If you can get a cat grooming business hyper targeted area, like location right there, when people type in cat grooming and their cat grooming comes up, that's pretty damn powerful. So don't underplay that. Let's not skip that. That's a big deal. Say, English. Well, say we have a translator, a Spanish translator at the cat grooming place. We're going to say it's bilingual. Perfect. And the average you want to spend each day, the lowest you should spend is $5 to start off, but that's still not even like a big deal. You want to at least be putting $500 a month into your ad campaign, especially if it's, a competitive area. And that's, you want to at least put 10 to 15 bucks in there. Yeah, we want conversions. So we're going to do with that. Start and end date. Got our audience. And we'll save it. So this is our ad group here. We want to make something that's a little bit easy here. Okay, so we're going to do these are the keywords we want. We say and then we can type in cat grooming here, and it'll show us other keywords that go with it. So let's say if we're not just doing cat grooming, which now that I think of it is kind of weird if we're only doing cat grooming. So let's say we're doing dog grooming near me, pampered cat, pet grooming saloon, you know, all these, bam, 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 bam. Of course, read them first, but we're just doing this video to show you guys how fast this is. Here's our new ad. We can run multiple ads. So if you want to test out different headlines, then this is perfect to do that. And then later on, you can see which ones do better, and then you can cancel out the one that's not doing very well. And then you can split test again and see if another one does better. You can just keep on doing that until you have like the killer, the best headlines ever. 20% off for dogs and cats allowed. Limited time only. Then we pop our description in there. You know, think of something. But that's a pretty good, you know, headline right there. Put the description in there. Let's see if it'll let me do it without a description, just so I can hurry up. Okay. Perfect. Let's go. Come on. No punctuation allowed. Yep, you're right. No punctuation allowed. They have weird rules. So that's it. And then we continue on to the campaign. It's $5 a day. We got an ad group. We got 27 keywords. We got one ad. Pop it in there, and we're going to start looking for it. It's going to be eligible learning for a little while, which means that Google's going to find out what part this actually belongs in. And if the ad sucks, then guess what? It's not going to get shown a lot. So that's another thing about the Facebook ads is, the Google ads is Google knows when someone clicks on your website and then clicks right off immediately afterwards. So if your landing page absolutely sucks or it looks like a scam or people just aren't digging it and they're not staying on there long enough, your relevancy score will go down and your ad won't show and they'll make you pay more money. So if your ad is rocking and people love clicking on it, your click-through rate is awesome, your cost per click goes down, you start spending less money on your ad, and then your ad gets shown more. So it's a win-win situation. So just spend a bunch of time on your content, start really thinking about what offer you're going to give people, and you should have a rocking Google ad, because at the end of the day, the only algorithm is giving people what they want. And if you can't do that, then you're not going to do good on Google ads. You're not going to do good on any ads, honestly. So I hope that explains Google ads for you guys. Just a brief overview, show you guys some cool stuff. We're going to have a bunch more in-depth detail, awesome videos on Puzzles Pro Tips. So give us a subscribe. We're also going to show you guys, algorithm changes and everything. So you're going to be able to stay in the loop if you subscribe here. You're not going to be out, if something changes, you're not going to be like, what in the world? Your ad's just broken. So you're going to be able to see it right here. So subscribe. Thank you for watching.